guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is thelmaworlasi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my pineapple juice. This juice contains ginger and lemon and is very nutritious. Stay tuned to find out how it's made. So for this juice, I'm going to be using 1 large pineapple, ginger and lemon. I'll begin by cutting up my ginger for blending. Then I'm just going to proceed to peel my pineapple. This pineapple was so juicy, like you can see. It was very juicy and perfect to make this juice. But peeling pineapple can be very annoying, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you also hate peeling pineapples like I do. But then pineapple is my favorite fruit. Let me know what your favorite fruit is. A lot of people do not like pineapple because of the itchy after peeling that you get, but you can just get rid of that by cutting off all these extra little thorny parts from the pineapple before you eat it, and it's done. You don't have to feel the sensation anymore. So I'm just going to cut up my pineapple for blending. So we'll first blend our ginger with a little bit of water at this point, just enough water to enable the blender blend it very well. Then I'll be adding my pineapples. If you want the juice to be extra sweet, this is the point to add sugar or honey or whatever sweetener you want to add. But I want this to be an all-natural pineapple juice, so I did not add any other extra sweetening. Add some more water and blend. So I have my jug and I'm going to be straining with this little strainer. If you have a bigger strainer and a bigger jug, that will be perfect. It will help you to get more juice faster. This juice is looking so nice already, guys. So you repeat the process till you have all the juice from everything that you blended. So I'm just going to add my sliced lemon and keep it in the fridge. Or you can also serve it over ice like I did. It was so tasty and refreshing. Please make sure you try it out and let me know how it went. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe on your way out. And to all my subscribers, you all know I love you so much. Till our next video, bye.